Good day everyone, this is Frost and this is Frost Moto. First, thank you God for allowing this to happen. And second, Sir Gerard, thank you for allowing me to borrow and review your bike. So before we begin, you know what to do. If you want motorcycle, push the subscribe button, and if you want updates, push the notification bell. And intro. I'm gonna take this opportunity to promote our own little business. So we are selling here backpacks for motorcycle riders or day-to-day user. So our product here is we have right now is the light carry version. We also have different design, different colors, but for now, this is gonna be the bag that we are going to show you. So why settle for less when you can have a premium quality without the premium price? The Frost backpacks are built to last with padded comfort, water resistant, and a secure laptop sleeve with lock. Made with the same materials as big brands, but at a price that makes sense. For students, parents, and everyday adventures, small travelers like Cebu to Manila, this backpack's built for you, especially for this design that we have. We have a secret pocket here to save your important things like passports and documents. So like I said earlier, we have a padded laptop sleeve, so we're gonna check inside what it looks like to give you some idea. So this is what it looks like in the inside. It can fit up to 16-inch of gaming laptop, no problem. And also it has a sleeve for your files in the front, so to reduce any wrinkage or damage. So that's it. So you can put everything around here, especially if you're going to do or go light travel. Water resistant, wear and tear. And so let's go to the review.